Give your child a star-studded look when they wear these cool sneakers by Geox. They feature a synthetic upper with a traditional lace-up closure to give them a secure and comfortable fit, and a zipper closure on the opposite side for easy on and off. These have a clean and classic look with cutout star detailing at the side with a glittery finish and glittery laces, giving them a look that's perfect for the playground. Inside there is a leather and textile lining with a cushion collar, giving their ankle lots of support, with a cushioned footbed that has perforations for breathability and an antibacterial treatment, giving them a healthy foot environment. The midsole has a sturdy and durable build that's made to last a long time, and it's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that has sawtooth grooves for traction, with more perforations that expel sweat but doesn't let moisture back in.